Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a drop-down list in Excel. Let's get started. Let's use two different examples to illustrate how to edit a drop-down menu, so you'll know two ways how to do it. Our first example involves a more extensive list, the months of the year. Let's say we want to make changes to the first question, and we want to use, for example, what is your favorite month of the year instead. Since we only need the list to consist of 3 relevant months, we'll make the necessary adjustment. Begin by clicking on the cell containing the drop-down list. It's the cell with a list of months. Now head to the Data tab, navigate to Data Validation under Data Tool. In the pop-up window that appeared, go to the Settings tab and click into the Source box. To edit the drop-down menu, clear the Source box by highlighting and pressing Delete. Now select only the relevant months, October, November, and December. Observe how the information in the Source section updates to reflect your selection, spanning from cells A10 to A12. Double-check everything and confirm with OK. Your drop-down menu has been edited, showcasing only the desired 3 options. These steps are adaptable to customize your list as needed. Now let's explore another approach to modify a shorter list, featuring only yes and no. Suppose we wish to expand the menu by adding maybe. Follow the initial steps. Click on the cell, go to Data, and then Data Validation. Here, the source is not a cell range but specific text. Type in maybe at the end, separated by a comma. Click OK and that's it. A piece of cake, right? Your second list is now updated. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.